Sisters Got Skills. Happy National Sports Day to all my viewers. Today we shall see how to play Scrabble. Scrabble is considered as an intellectual sport. This sport helps in building our vocabulary and improving our arithmetic and logical skills. A Scrabble board, 100 letter tiles, tile racks to arrange the tiles, one tile bag from where the tiles can be fetched. Scrabble can be played with minimum of 2 players up to 4 players. There are 98 alphabet tiles with score values indicated by the number next to each letter. There are 2 blank tiles that have no score value, which can be used as any letter desired. Place all the tiles in the tile bag. To determine who goes first, each player takes a tile out of the bag. The player with the letter closest to A starts. If 2 players draw the same letter, they have to pick another tile from the bag. Each player in turn draws 7 new tiles and places them on their racks. Use a pen and paper to keep score. The first player has to make minimum a 2-letter word. The order of the letters of the word can either be from left to right in a horizontal line or from top to bottom in the vertical line. One of the letters of the word must touch the center square. No diagonal play is allowed. There are 4 types of premium squares: double letter score, triple letter score, double word score, triple word score. Suppose the first player makes a word codes. Then the value of C is multiplied by 2 because it is on the double letter square. If the next player makes the word fade, then the value of F is multiplied by 3 as it is on the triple letter square. The word value of corner doubles as one of the letters is placed on the double word square. If the letter of a word touches the triple word square, the point value of the whole word is multiplied by 3. Any player who plays all 7 of their tiles in a single turn scores a premium of 50 points in addition to the regular score for the turn. The number of tiles used on the board by the players are drawn from the tile bag. A player may use his turn to replace one or all of the tiles in his rack. Should all players pass twice in a row, the game ends. Players may play any words listed in a standard English dictionary. The exclusions are words with initial capital letters, abbreviations, prefixes and suffixes, words requiring apostrophes, words requiring hyphens. A word cannot be moved unless it is challenged. Challenge a word. If the word is unacceptable, it will be removed from the board. The point value of the tiles that have not been played will be reduced from the total at the end. The player with the highest final score wins. If you found this beginner's guide for Scrabble useful, please like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Sisters Got Skills if you haven't done yet. I'll come back with another guide for Scrabble soon. Until then, keep practicing, play Scrabble and stay safe.